Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to break down all of the features Go High Level has and why it is so powerful in less than 10 minutes. Okay, guys, the hype is real. Let's jump right in. So what is Go High Level? Go High Level is a marketing tool for businesses and agencies. It brings together CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, AI chatbots, and websites in one platform. This makes it easy to manage everything, save time, and helps businesses grow efficiently. And guys, there are way more features, and you are about to see it is mind-blowing. High Level has also allowed me to wear my bathrobes all day, which is good for me. Now let's jump in and check out all the features Go High Level has. So now I'm just going to list out all the features and what they do. So number one is phone numbers. You can, in High Level, create unlimited phone numbers. And if you get them verified, you can send text messages and make calls from them. You can actually offer complete business phone number lines. This is a game changer, and it's way cheaper than T-Mobile and all these other places for business phone lines. And this is one of those things that businesses are already paying for. So you just go and take over, and they will now pay you. Next up is AI chatbots and the Conversations tab. In Go High Level, they have a complete AI chatbot that you can train, set up, configure just like in your business, and it will literally book appointments 24/7 and just flood your business with sales. It also hooks up to this amazing Conversations tab where Facebook, Instagram, text message, and email go all into one place, and it will just answer all of those different platforms from one place. Or you can do it manually if you don't want to use a chatbot. But that is incredible because you now have all of your messaging in one organized place, and you don't have to waste time going from platform to platform to platform when all of your answers and all of your questions will come into one interface. This absolute game changer for service-based businesses, and just the sales side of things just skyrocket because it's so much easier than going to every platform to answer your. Go High Level also offers amazing courses and communities. You can literally build unlimited courses just like the one I have here, which are incredible for making money, building a community, keeping people longer. And you can also have complete courses right in here where you can have all of your students take video training lessons and so much more. And let me tell you guys, Kajabi, School, all these other platforms, they cost a lot of money per month. This is just included in High Level for free, and it's literally better. So if you have a community or you want to keep people longer, or you have a resources list, you can come in here and create as many as you want, and it's on every plan. Also do all payments and invoicing within High Level. Quick links, invoices, all of that stuff, all in one dashboard. So you're not having to jump to Stripe, jump to Square, and go to all these places. You can literally have it just here, and it integrates with so many payment processors. By the way, really fast before I jump in, just to let you guys know, I have full videos on my channel of each of these going in depth. For the sake of this video and for the sake of time, I am just breezing through and just showing you the basics. But if you're interested in actually learning these, I have complete tutorials on all of these, so go check it out. The next is websites and funnels. Go High Level has an awesome website builder with literally unlimited templates, and you can build unlimited websites. I mean, check it out. You got all these niches here. You can search for whatever you want. You also have funnels. And the same thing, you have funnel templates, and there's literally thousands of them, and you can just instantly build a website. That's tons of value right there. Do the SEO, it's done. By the way, this is just one more thing you don't have to pay for in High Level. You would have to go to Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, any of these other places, and you have to pay them, and it's one more platform. This is all in that one dashboard. You just click the templates and start. Boom, website done. You just gotta, replace logos, pictures, and you're good to go. Brand new website, just like that. I think the theme that you are starting to see about High Level that is just so powerful, it is all these things in one place. So you don't have to waste so much time jumping from thing to thing to thing. It's just one dashboard for all of your marketing, all of your sales, and all of your business functions. One place, one dashboard, one login. Simple scales, fancy fails. Now we have email marketing. Let me tell you, this is the gold mine for reoccurring businesses. Let's check it out. All you have to do is upload all of your contacts and literally click this, send them email. And you can literally blast your contacts with offers, newsletters, whatever you want. You also have pre-made email templates to make you an email marketing god overnight. All done for you. You can pick them out, change out your logo, do a couple things. You can also send recurring emails and all this other stuff. And like I said, guys, reoccurring businesses, this is a gold mine for, not recurring, reoccurring, which means chiropractors, hair salons, and a bazillion other niches where people keep coming back because you can just fill your pipeline over and over again with the customers you already have. And High Level makes it so easy for you to be a pro overnight. You literally don't even have to learn email marketing because it's already here, done for you. Now we have SMS marketing. Once you upload your list, you have phone numbers. You can just come right up here and send text. You can also add this to automations so you can actually send text messages out. And guys, text messaging is the most intimate way to communicate with your customers other than sending a carrier pigeon to your house, but we don't do that anymore. Well, some of you guys do. This enables you to get one step closer to your customers and your potential leads. And like I said earlier in the video, guys, most businesses have phone numbers, except they have no idea how to actually utilize them. HighLevel makes it easy. And again, all in one dashboard. Local SEO, the absolute pinnacle for service-based marketing, where you can send reviews, create Google My Business posts, and help rank that GMB. In case you didn't know what that is, it's these things right here. They're called Google Business Profiles, and they are the backbone of SEO. And in HighLevel, it makes it so easy to rank these. And by the way, guys, this is how you dominate in a local market or a big market. You have these. They pop up above the website. That means they are more powerful than websites. And in HighLevel, with the reputation management, local SEO, you can get reviews, put out posts, and optimize these so they actually rank above the competitors in this top 3 spot. And I'm telling you guys right now, if you can get a business in this top 3 spot, they will get way more leads, because anytime they look up plumber near me or anyone with a connected IP address, their business pops up, they schedule with them, and it's just unlimited leads you're tapping into, guys. Unlimited leads. This is probably one of the most powerful things in HighLevel, especially for the service-based businesses, because if you do this right, I'm telling you guys right now, it's a game changer. Now, contracts and documents. Say goodbye to DocuSign, PandaDoc, and all these other softwares. You literally can build unlimited documents with signing fields, initials fields, text fields, and cats. By the way, businesses use contracts. It's something you can just immediately take over. Yes, you can take it over. And it's just part of HighLevel, and it's better than DocuSign or PandaDoc. It's just one more thing you can take over and make a business trust you that much more. Remember, don't try to get rich, try to get better, and then you'll get rich as a consequence. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, yes, it does. GoHighLevel has a calendars feature. You can literally check out all these different kinds of calendars. And guys, every business has to have a calendar to schedule. And they look really nice. They're literally the exact same thing as Calendly, if not better. And it's all part of HighLevel. You can even create calendar menus. And that's one more subscription you don't have to pay for. Bye-bye, Calendly. HighLevel also has social media management. This is clutch for literally scheduling all of your posts. You have Facebook, Instagram, Google Business, LinkedIn, X, formerly known as Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and you can schedule posts for an entire year out. Social media management, you can keep people's social medias rolling while you do zero work because it's all done and you can schedule it. There's a lot of people that pay for Hootsuite, Buffer, all these things that cost $50, $60 a month. HighLevel has the same exact feature brought in. Now we move on to automations, the holy grail of HighLevel services. I could spend like 4 hours going over this, but I'm going to save you the time because we got to get this under 10 minutes. And I'm telling you right now, this is money. You can automate tons of repetitive tasks within HighLevel where you can, have a contract sent out, people onboarded, you name it, payments automated. And what an automation is, it's basically getting rid of repetitive tasks with a robot function. So if this, then that. You set it up, it fires the sequence, and it does work for you. This is how you save businesses time. Or if you're a business watching this, this is how you save time. You set up automations and AI chatbots. And by the way, they have AI features within the automations that make it so smooth. And they also have pre-built automations where you can just plug them in and they're already built. You just put in your email and a couple of things and you're done. And guys, the theme that you're starting to see this video is HighLevel does so much of the work already for you. So even if you're terrible at tech, they have this stuff pre-built templates, pre-built automations, pre-built websites. It's all done for you. You just have to plug in your info. You can be a complete idiot and still succeed with this. I'm kind of that, so I'm the perfect case study. Last but not least, sales pipelines. You can track all of your leads in one place and you can automate this. So it's just a funnel where your leads go up and you send out follow-ups, you nurture them. So simple, so easy, and you can build unlimited of them all in one place, tracking your conversions and following up so you can get more sales. Guys, people pay literally hundreds of dollars a month for just this feature in other softwares when you can get it built into HighLevel. So that's it. And by the way, guys, just to let you know, there is a bunch of other features that I'm leaving out. These are just the prominent ones. I mean, HighLevel can do so much more, but for the sake of time, we have to go through just these. And I'm pretty sure I did it. So I'll go over the question everyone's wondering. The payment plans. How much does this shit cost? HighLevel is broken down into 3 plans. Small, medium, large. What I love about HighLevel is the small plan gets you everything the other plans do. It's just not unlimited, which is awesome because a lot of these other softwares, HubSpot and these other CRMs, they don't give you barely any of the features on the small plans. You just have to pay an ungodly amount of money. With this, you can use the 97 plan, okay? And you can get all the features and use all of it. You just don't get unlimited of it, which is fine because in the beginning, if you have no clients, what's the point of having unlimited? So the first plan for $97, you get all CRM features, everything I just went over. You get 3 sub accounts, so that's 3 businesses. You get unlimited team members and 24/7 support. Anytime you have question, problem, you can go on Zoom, just click the button, contact them, hop on with a representative, and talk to them. Best support ever. It's incredible. The $297, okay, it's the same thing as this, unlimited CRM features, except unlimited business accounts. Unlimited business accounts, white label, which means you can change the software to be your own brand. It could be a Declan special CRM, and you can actually white label and take over their business. It is crazy, and all the good support that comes with that. Last but not least, the $497 plan. This is most likely if you're an agency. If you're a service-based business, you probably don't need this. You get all CRM features, unlimited sub-accounts, unlimited team members. You can white label it. You can rebill, which means that every text message someone sends out that's under you, every email, any function, you're collecting recurring money off that. So a couple cents off of each one, which really stacks up if you have a lot of clients. So this is where you can make a ton of money, and no other CRMs offer this. Automatic account creation, where it immediately creates accounts, sets them up, does so much awesome stuff. Advanced API access for even more advanced coding and stuff, which is a gold mine, and then 24/7 support. I know I am breezing through this, guys, and I have so many more videos on this, but this video, we have to keep it short because I'm trying to save you time because your time is money. And here's the thing that I'm going to say right off the bat. You're probably wondering, what plan is best for you? Well, here's what I'll tell you right now. It depends. If you're an agency that is already well established, I would go with this or this if you're already well established. If you're not, or you're just a service-based business or a business, go with the 97. You don't need certain features in these. Like if you're one business, you don't need unlimited sub-accounts. Like, it's just not needed. I see a lot of people trying to push these plans on people that don't need them. The 97 is most likely going to be perfect for you because it has everything you need. If you're an agency, you're probably going to want these. I also want to show you a little graph that demonstrates how much money you'll save because a lot of people go, well, that might be a little pricey, but you guys don't realize there is a bazillion other softwares you have to use. And when you add them all up, it actually adds up to a ton more money. Look at this. These are all the other softwares businesses use, and this is how much they cost. I mean, look at this. You got all of these things that I just went over all have monthly costs, and people do this. I cannot tell you how many people I talk to that have all of these. I mean, look at this, and it's all in different places too, so you're wasting time too. But if you add them up, it adds up to over $7,000 a month for all these features. I'm telling you, this is not an exaggeration because I was that person. I had so many different things. High level for just the unlimited account, which you don't even need if you're not an agency, is only $297. It's a fraction. I'm telling you right now, I speak so passionately about this because I was this guy. I had all of these. My bill was huge per month, and I was like, no, high level is probably not that good. But once I saw all of these features in one dashboard, meaning I will save so much time. I can also hire and train talent way easier. That's a big thing that people don't understand. When everything's in one place, you can have a way better team. And the fact that I would save all of this money, it was a no-brainer for me. It changed everything. And like I said, you can try High Level for free. With that being said, GoHighLevel Wizard obviously has an affiliate link down below. Okay, here's the thing though. You can try High Level for free. Down below, it's not a 14-day free trial, but I have a 30-day free trial, so you can try High Level for free. All right? And I know you're going to like it. Trust me, everyone that tries is amazed by it because it'll save you so much time and money. But you can go down below, you can click the link, you can try it for free. And here's the thing too. When you sign up with my link, with High Level, because I am the GoHighLevel Wizard, okay? I live and breathe this stuff. If you sign up with my link, okay, you'll not only get free support from the GHL Wizard, you'll get access to snapshots, which is pre-built out stuff. You'll get access to a community. You'll get access to support. You'll get access to video trainings. And if you really want to take everything a step further and you're like, I'm really interested in this, I have a free partnership idea that if you qualify for, I'll help you build up your agency or build up your service-based business, show you, the ins and outs for this. And guys, it's free. Right? I'm not here selling you a course. I'm not here selling you a program because I actually don't believe in that. Literally, I'm not going to be sending you any invoices. You literally just need High Level. And you do because you got to have your stuff on some platform. And I know High Level. So if you use that link, if you sign up with that, guys, I'm telling you right now, you'll get all of this stuff. And I see a lot of other affiliates online. And you're probably watching other videos too, where they're literally like, oh, just sign up. You'll get my free course and snapshot. That's really what a lot of these people do. And it's pretty shitty. I'm giving you support, community, access to all this other goodies free competitions. There's so much more you're going to get with me because some of these bigger affiliates, they literally don't have time and they just shove people in, and you just get a shitty free training. And if you're trying to actually learn high level and make money with this, you're going to need a little more hands-on stuff. But I don't have any upsells. I'm not trying to get you on some mastermind program where you have to pay $15K. It's nothing like that. It's just, if you qualify, I will come in, I will help you, I will show you how to do this. You do not need to buy anyone's courses or anyone's coaching programs to make money with this or learn this. You can do this all by watching YouTube videos and trial and error. I'm telling you right now, the most experience I've ever had was never from buying anyone's course, because I did that. I was that guy that bought everyone's courses. You don't need to do that. You just got to be willing to learn it. I'm telling you guys right now, when you are able to cancel all of your other softwares and get rid of all that shit, it will blow your mind because you will have everything in one place. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Guys, if you found this video interesting, please, from the bottom of GoHighLevel Wizard's heart, smash the sub button, drop any comments down below. And even if you're still hesitant on high level, you can message me for free on Facebook, drop a comment down below. I will answer, guaranteed. And you can let me know any questions you have. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your valuable time. And I look forward to seeing you crush it. GoHighLevel Wizard, out.